So you're kind of coming out, you're really sacrificing. I noticed that your internship was October to December. Is that normal?
It's the autumn internship. So the way it works in I don't know now, but I guess it's more or less the same. But at least at my time, it was a summer and autumn internship. Before they were probably doing also a spring internship, even though probably was a smaller internship.
Yeah.
So
how many seats were? So you talked about a couple of things. You said it's super competitive. So about how many people were with you and how many seats were available?
Yeah, look, the class is smaller than the summer class usually. So we were about probably 20 people, but I think less than 10 people got an offer.
Like around 8 people? So, wow. So it was a pretty tough year, right? You're still 2012-ish. So it was
exactly.
Things
so,
hadn't fully
it was
recovered.
Yes, correct.